In this video, I'll show you how to add YouTube channel link on Instagram bio. So go and copy and get your YouTube channel link, then open up your Instagram, click on edit profile. One thing is, if you're adding it up from this bio, I'm not sure it's going to be able to like display well enough. So let me see, I can just paste this. So I'm not sure it's going to display, but let us see how it's going to be. So this is how it's going to be, but I'm not sure. Most times it doesn't actually click, right? So I'm going to click on edit profile. You're going to be able to see links, add links, so click on it. So this one works perfectly well. So click on add this. So come on here, paste it. So come on your title, you can just come on, you can add up channel, my channel. So click on done. So wait for it to open up. Then you can go back. You can actually see that, yeah, it's going to come out right here. So this is it. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the very next video.